shield again. I don't know from which side it's gonna be here. Alright. Yes, indeed. But now I need a container, a really clean one, because I will for sure drop it below the proper level and then I will have to refill it. How does it look like here? I've made something like that. Just a regular 5 liters bottle, and I've cut the hole in it. I've rinsed it off with water. There was a dry. Alright, went loose. There's still a lot, and even if the dipstick is entering the pan here, so even if the car is lifted from the front, it should be less than it really is, and it's still a lot. So that's probably, I'll have to drain a bit more. Right, I'm getting there. Let's see. For an engine oil I have something like that. It's almost close to the maximum level. Right. For an engine oil it's a 10. Maybe 12 or 13. I will take both. I got a 10 and 13. Try 13 first. Lol, it is 14. I got 14 and 15 just in case. Ooh, la 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 la. Let's see how that's going. And yeah, just now it reached maximum. Just see how much more it was there. Engine oil plug here, but I cannot get there. Oh shit! Right, that's loose. I have to touch the camera. That's already probably too much. Let's try to check it. No. Shit. That's definitely too much. Shit, 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 shit. Surprisingly, that can. This one first. There is still some engine oil because it's. But I'll have to keep the 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe a bit more. I can always, like I said, refill it. Not with this one. There was some spiders inside and so. I think I could release a bit more. What a bullshit. Because I don't want to get back here again. At least not this week. Recycling. I have few change them when I'm gonna remove the old fluid in a hole. I'm gonna do it maybe 2 weeks time with engine oil. La 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 la. Right. No surprises.